yellow tab container, stick in the tab into the glucometer, butterfly visual to you, microchip into it.
So you gotta get really close up so you can see.
Yep. Push it in, that's right. Perfect.
Is that normal?
And then you want to see the beeping, or sorry, not the beeping, you want to actually see the blood dropping. Yep.
Okay.
And then you're going to poke yourself in a nice big juicy poke.
Is it gonna do it again?
You can still use the same needle because it's yours, and then you're going to reload it, and then you continue. Okay. And then you want to do it nice and into like a nice juicy area, like side or the and then you got to really squeeze one nice, get a nice big juicy blood droplet there. That should be enough. Try.
In the very corner. Like that.
Perfect. So now it's calibrating.
Watch it.
5.2.